prestigious examination in India, and you are going to serve our nation. So that will be the matter of pride for all of us. In this session, I will explain you the nature and the scope of the geography of India. So this will be concentrated on the Indian geography, and in this session, I will discuss about the location, extent, physiographic region of India, and along with that, I will discuss some interesting questions with you so that you will be able to understand the nature, the gravity of the question. So let us start discussion on the Indian geography, and I'm hoping you will enjoy the class. And again, what I will share with you shall try to cover up with yourself so that you will be in position to crack this examination with ease. Okay, so let us start discussion on our Indian geography. Look here, first of all, make it clear. The Indian geography comprises about 10 to 12 topic. So let me here note some topic so that you will be able to recognize the width, the stretch of this subject. The very first topic is location and extent as far as concerned. So this comprises about our country, latitudinal extent, longitudinal extent, our boundaries, even our state with your capital, all such things is part of location and extent. And believe me, this is one of the most important area for our examination. Questions are very frequent over this. Again, next one is physiographic region of India, and I know very well physiographic region of India. Physiographic region involve a study of Himalaya, Great Plains, even Peninsular India, and you know that is the core of Indian geography. If you are reading Indian geography and you are not very well prepared with this topic, you must face some sort of problem. इसमें दिक्कत आएगी. So make it clear. Physiographic region is the heart and soul of Indian geography. I will discuss that one by one. Thereafter, what comes? The third is our drainage system. That is river system. ड्रेनेज सिस्टम. तो ड्रेनेज में हमेशा आपको क्वेश्चन बनते हैं रिवर सिस्टम पे ऑन पेनिसुलर रिवर और हिमालयन रिवर. क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी फ्रीक्वेंट, so you must cover it through the map, through the diagram, so that you will be in comfortable position. Fourth one, drainage. Thereafter, some small topic are you know very well, like soil. Again, fifth one, our natural vegetation, and natural vegetation comprises understanding a detail of the conservation effort. Conservation effort, I mean to say the idea about national park, even our biodiversity, our biosphere reserves, even our wetland, distribution of wetland. So all become very relevant nowadays, and UPSC is considering that relevant even for serious examination. So this is natural vegetation, national park, biosphere reserve, wetland. Next one will be mineral and industries. Minerals, you know, distribution of mineral is quite uneven in India. Some part of India, particularly peninsular India, is very rich. And our minerals like iron, coal, manganese, bauxite, white, our plain area lacks some mineral potential. तो बहुत कम है इधर minerals पे क्वेश्चन है. Seventh is our industry, and industry, you know, particularly the iron steel industry, cotton industry are one of the popular area. Next one is our agriculture. Agriculture attracts one or two questions. These are kind of the topic you shall prepare. अब इसके बाद कुछ टॉपिक हैं, like for example population. तो population has been the popular topic, लेकिन अभी क्या हो रहा है, you know very well कि census is about to organized by the government. So due to the delay in the census work, census become outdated. So hardly there will be a question on census or population. 10th topic is our tribes. So tribe and their distribution according to area is quite relevant. I will discuss all such topics one by one, and I will try to give you insight how to prepare Indian geography in brief. First of all, we shall discuss the first topic, that is our location and extent. You know, India, we are the 7th largest country in the world with about 3.32 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एरिया. हमारा जो एरिया है वो लगभग 3.32 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है और बहुत बड़े ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया पे हैं हम लोग. वी कॉल आवर सेल्फ इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट एंड दैट इज वेरी ट्रू. हम लोग एक इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में हैं. इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट इज पार्ट ऑफ साउथ एशिया. साउथ एशिया का पार्ट बनता है. इंक्लूडिंग विद इंडिया देयर आर 7 कंट्री comes under Indian continent, you know, that is Afghanistan, Pakistan, even India, Nepal, Bhutan, even our Sri Lanka, Maldives, Bangladesh. So these are the country of South Asia and we are the leader among all. हम उनको lead कर रहे हैं. अब आते हैं हम लोग अपने latitudinal और longitudinal extent पे. Geographical area as far as India comprises is 3.32 lakh and our geographical area confined between longitude and latitude. तो जो हमारा latitudinal extent है, latitudinal are parallel lines, latitude are parallel lines, you know very well, ये सीधे सीधे लाइन्स होते हैं. और मेनलैंड का जो latitudinal extent हमको दिखता है, this begins from 8 degree 4 minute north, make it clear, north to 37 degree 6 minute north. The southernmost point of our the Indian continent is Kanyakumari, and at Kanyakumari में हम देखते हैं कि 3 ocean joins each other, that is Bay of Bengal, this one is Arabian Sea and third one is Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and our Arabian Sea join each other at Kanyakumari. But interestingly, Kanyakumari is not the southernmost point of India. Rather, southernmost point lie here at near 6 degree latitude of Andaman and Nicobar. That is Pygmalion Point, Indira Point. You know, at Great Nicobar. तो ये हमारा southernmost point बनता है. That is Pygmalion Point. आते हैं हम लोग नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट को. तो दिस इज आवर इंदिरा कॉल. इंदिरा कॉल इज काइंड ऑफ पास लाइन काराकोरम रेंज, यू नो. अगेन एज फार एज लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट इज कंसर्न, तो लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट इज अगेन अबाउट 30 एंड हियर फ्रॉम 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट, लगभग 68 से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये ईस्टर्न है. ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में हम लोग और ये जाता है 97 डिग्री 25 तक ईस्ट में. तो दिस वे वी ऑक्यूपाई अबाउट 30 लॉन्गिट्यूड. और हमारा जो ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट है वो भी रिलेवेंट होता है. द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट इज आवर किबुथु, a village, a remotely located village of Arunachal Pradesh, while westernmost point is our Guhirmoti, that is part of Gujarat, Kutch district. So here this way we are stretches हम फैले हुए हैं from west to east. The length of India is 2933 kilometer, from north to south that is 3214 kilometer. In this way we may say that the length of India from north to south is greater than the length of east to west. ठीक है. Again now, as far as longitudinal line is concerned, so you know very well longitudinal lines are quite relevant for measuring, for finding the time. You know, sun takes about latitude के अकॉर्डिंग हमारा टाइम चेंज होता है. तो यहाँ पर दैट इज इंटरेस्टिंग कि 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट लैटिट्यूड, 82 डिग्री एंड हाफ मिनट, दैट इज 30 मिनट ईस्ट is the longitudinal line. We have selected that longitudinal line to measure our standard time. So यही हमारा standard time है that crosses 5 states, namely उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, इवन छत्तीसगढ़, आंध्र प्रदेश और ओडिशा. तो यहाँ से 5 स्टेट से निकलता है 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट लैटिट्यूड एंड वी मेजर आवर टाइम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स. इसी कोऑर्डिनेट के बेस पे हम अपना टाइम मेजर करते हैं एंड दैट इज अबाउट 5 आवर 30 मिनट फार अहेड फ्रॉम द ग्रीनविच मीन टाइम. तो दैट इज द लोकेशन वी नीड टू कीप इन माइंड. अब थोड़ा और नीचे चले, आगे पीछे हम लोग देख लें. तो इसके बाद हम आते हैं और वो है हमारा लोकेशन का ही पार्ट है, दैट इज द स्ट्रेच ऑफ इंडिया, द लैंड बाउंड्री एंड ओशियन बाउंड्री ऑफ इंडिया. यू नो, इंडिया is the state. India is the country with 28 state and 8 union territories. Reason being कि इतने बड़े स्टेट को किसी एक कैपिटल से या किसी एक सेंटर से गवर्न करना, इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो आवर मेकर्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिसाइडेड टू divide our country into several divisions, and division are provinces that later called state. तो स्टेट यहाँ पे हमारे प्रोविजन्स हैं, अगेन हमारे जो है प्रोविंसेस हैं, अगेन 28 स्टेट हैं, और हमारी जो नेबरहुड कंट्री हैं उनके नंबर है टोटल 11. तो कीप इन माइंड वी हैव 11 नेबरहुड कंट्री. फर्स्ट रिकॉग्नाइज द नेबरहुड कंट्रीज. अभी तक सबने 7 पर रखा होगा, मैं 11 की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो कैसे 11 है? देखो, वेरी फर्स्ट नेबरहुड कंट्री पाकिस्तान, सेकेंड इज अफगानिस्तान, थर्ड वन इज चाइना, फोर्थ वन इज our Nepal, fifth one is Bhutan, sixth one is Bangladesh, seventh one is Burma, eighth one is Sri Lanka, ninth one is Maldives, tenth one is our Thailand, and 11th one is Indonesia. So this way we have 11 neighborhood country. We shares our land boundary with 7 country, while our coastal marine boundary is associated with again 7 neighborhoods. So let us discuss the land boundary with our land neighborhood first. Land neighborhood के साथ हम लोग पहले देख लेते हैं जो हमारे 7 land neighborhood है. Land neighborhood as far as concerned, तो there are 7 land neighborhood country हैं. कौन कौन से हैं? तो that is पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. So these are the 7 neighborhood country of India. देखो, पाकिस्तान as far as concerned, तो about 3000 kilometer long border we shares with Pakistan, and a state lie on the border of Pakistan is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, and the Ladakh. Again, the border between India and Pakistan is called a Red Cliff Award. You know, that is outcome of the consideration of Red Cliff, who was appointed by the Mountbatten to recognize, to organize the border between India and Pakistan. तो इसको Red Cliff Line कहते हैं. Again, between Afghanistan and Pakistan, a boundary line that is called जो ये बाउंड्री है, तो अभी रिसेंटली इसको लेके डिस्प्यूट भी आया है अफगानिस्तान और पाकिस्तान के बीच में. यही पे खैबर के पास उन लोगों ने अटैक भी किया है. ये अफगानिस्तान हमसे लगभग 100 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग बॉर्डर शेयर करता है. इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट वन. चाइना एज फार एज कंसर्न, तो चाइना शेयर अगेन वेरी लॉन्ग बाउंड्री दैट इज अबाउट 3000 किलोमीटर. और हमारे चाइना के साथ 5 स्टेट यूटीज हैं, लद्दाख, हिमाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, इवन सिक्किम एंड अरुणाचल प्रदेश. As far as Bangladesh is concerned, तो 4000 kilometer border about we shares with Bangladesh, and Bangladesh is the country with India shares the longest border. सबसे लंबा border हम बांग्लादेश के साथ ही शेयर करते हैं. 5 states are here: West Bengal, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura and Mizoram that shares border with Bangladesh. बाकी छोटे छोटे हैं, जैसे नेपाल है, तो नेपाल के साथ उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड सिक्किम शेयर्स, वाइल भूटान के साथ हमारे सिक्किम है, वेस्ट बंगाल, आसाम है, अरुणाचल प्रदेश शेयर बॉर्डर. तो दिस वे द बॉर्डर अरेंजमेंट आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट, क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर इंडिया. हाँ, अभी म्यांमार का बॉर्डर बहुत न्यूज में है. मैक्सिको, यदि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज अटेम्प्टेड, हैज डिसाइडेड टू हैव फेंसिंग along with the India Myanmar border. तो यहाँ पे फेंसिंग लगने वाली है, और ये फेंसिंग कहाँ से? तो पूरा ये जो बॉर्डर है उसको कवर करेंगे, सो दैट वी शैल कीप इन माइंड ये बॉर्डर कहाँ से जा रहा है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश, नागालैंड, मणिपुर और मिजोरम से. एज फार एज आवर मैराइन बाउंड्री इज कंसर्न, तो देखो मैराइन बाउंड्री इज गवर्न बाय द मैंडेट ऑफ अनक्लॉज. अनक्लॉज जो यूनाइटेड नेशन कन्वेंशन ऑन द लॉ ऑफ सी आया था, तो अनक्लॉज ने 1982 में हमें एक parameter दिया, and we have decided to have the same kind of border, marine boundary along with our neighborhood country. तो इसी के बेस पे हम लोग चलते हैं। और अगर हम मैराइन बाउंड्री को देखें तो अगेन वी शेयर्स मैराइन एरिया विद 7 नेबरहुड कंट्री। कौन कौन से हैं? फर्स्ट वन पाकिस्तान, सेकेंड वन आवर मालदीव, थर्ड वन इज श्रीलंका, फोर्थ वन इज बांग्लादेश, फिफ्थ वन इज म्यांमार, सिक्स्थ वन इज थाईलैंड एंड सेवेंथ वन इज इंडोनेशिया। तो दिस विल बी शेयर्स आवर मैराइन बाउंड्री विद 7 नेबरहुड मैराइन कंट्री, 7 कंट्रीज। अगेन इसमें कुछ नाम आते हैं अलग अलग, जैसे मालदीव्स के साथ हमारा जो बॉर्डर बनता है दैट इज 8 डिग्री चैनल। 8 डिग्री चैनल makes border between India and Maldives. Again here 6 degree channel that is alternately called Great Channel makes border between India and Indonesia. Similarly Andaman Nicobar, so here Coco Strait makes border between India and the Myanmar, Coco Island. So that is these are the interesting fact of our Indian marine boundary. As far as other classification is concerned, so UNCLOS say that up to 200 nautical mile. 200 nautical mile. Nautical mile are far greater than the land mile. 1 nautical mile is 1.8 किलोमीटर, ठीक है? तो लगभग 1.8 किलोमीटर into 200 कर लो तो you may find कि हमारा जो पूरा EEZ इसको कहा जाता है, EEZ एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन। तो आवर exclusive economic zone EEZ stretches up to 200 nautical mile. आगे next part physiographic division of India. तो physiographic division of India deals with the geographical relief of India. geographical relief मतलब माउंटेन कैसे हैं, वैली कैसे है, इन सब को ये बताता है। तो देखो our India was quite different from the rest of the Asiatic country. We are different. We over near the coast of Australia, और ऑस्ट्रेलिया की कोस्ट के पास ही इंडिया का फॉर्मेशन होता है। thereafter इंडिया ड्रिफ्टेड टुवर्ड द एशिया और धीरे धीरे करते हुए लगभग 10 मिलियन ईयर के पास इंडिया यहाँ पर पहुँचता है। और इस फॉर्मेशन से हम देखते हैं कि नॉर्थ में एक बहुत बड़ा माउंटेनियस रीजन बना दैट वी आर कॉल्ड हिमालय। हिमालय का ही स्ट्रेच यहाँ पे पूर्वांचल हिल बना। द rigid part that drifted from Africa that is called Peninsular India. Intervening part that is the outcome of deposition is called Great Plain. Along with Peninsular India, the narrow tract of plain evolved that is called our coastal plain. Again some part turned into desert, that is desert area, and including with that we host some islands that is Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. तो इस तरह से हमारे 5 जो हैं मेनली ब्रॉडली फिजियोग्राफिक रीजन बनते हैं एंड दे आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर। और अगर हम अपने टोपोग्राफिक डिवीजन को ले तो माउंटेन ऑक्यूपाई अबाउट 10.7% ज्योग्राफिकल एरिया ऑफ इंडिया, while हिली एरिया 18.6, प्लेटू 27 एंड प्लेन आर 43. इट मींस दैट कि vast part of geographical area of India is occupied by the plain area. So that is interesting with Indian geography. Now here, as far as Himalaya is concerned, so Himalaya is divided into several parallel series of mountain. और यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीजें आपको करनी है। तो in this class, as you know, time is quite limited. तो हिमालय का जो पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न माउंटेन को देखते हैं तो here the first range of mountain comes that is called Trans-Himalaya. So Trans-Himalaya comprises first Karakoram range, second Ladakh range, third one Jaskar range, and here in Karakoram range the highest peak of India that is K2 Godwin Austen lies. Godwin Austen in Tibetan language called Kugir. So here again various glaciers like Siachen Glacier, the largest glacier in India, even Biafo, Baltora, all are here. As far as Himalaya is concerned, so Himalaya stretches in form of 3 parallel mountain series. The first one is Great Himalaya here from Nanga Parvat to Namcha Barwa. Himalaya is about 2400 km. Again, the northernmost part of Himalaya is called Great Himalaya, and the average height of Great Himalaya is more than 6000 meters. Highest peak of Great Himalaya is Mount Everest lies in Nepal, while second highest peak is Kanchenjunga, and Kanchenjunga lie found in Sikkim, and Kanchenjunga becomes the India's second mountain peak. Kanchenjunga हमारा दूसरा बड़ा mountain peak बनता है. First one is our Karakoram. Again, other peak are like suppose Gauri Shankar, Kamet, all are the famous well recognized mountain peak of this part. Great Himalaya. Again, Great Himalaya is home of several glacier like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Pindar, all lie here. As far as the next branch of Himalaya is concerned, to south to Himalaya, the other mountain lie here, that is our middle Himalaya, alternately middle Himalaya called Lesser Himalaya, and middle Himalaya is quite low elevated mountain in comparison to the Great Himalaya. The average height of middle Himalaya is just about 4,500 meter, and Great Himalayan height is about 6,000 meter. So that Great Himalaya is the loftiest series of mountain, while middle Himalaya is quite we can say the smaller than medium sized mountain, we can say that. Again, middle Himalaya is concerned, so middle Himalaya is called by different name. You know very well, I think so, कि in Jammu and Kashmir, middle Himalaya called Pir Panjal Range. In Himachal Pradesh, the middle Himalaya known as Dhauladhar. In Uttarakhand, the middle Himalaya is called Masuri and Nagtiba. The same range in Nepal called Mahabharat. So this way, several names. Again, middle Himalaya, in between middle Himalaya and Great Himalaya, valley found like Kashmir Valley, Kathmandu Valley. So these are. Again, after middle Himalaya, there is next series of mountain, and this also a detached, discrete series of mountain called Shivalik. Shivalik called by again different name like Dudhwa. In Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, like Jammu Hills in Jammu and Kashmir. Shivalik is low elevated mountain. The average height of Shivalik is just about 1,500 meter. Okay, and Shivalik formation is quite interesting. Shivalik is outcome of compression of a river. Earlier, there were a river that was called Indo-Brahma River. When this compressed due to the extensive forces, this turned into Shivalik. तो यहाँ पर Shivalik का formation हो रहा है. Again, Himalaya take a sharp U-turn from Namcha Barwa and evolves in form of Purvanchal Hill, and Purvanchal Hills comprises Patkai Bom, Naga Hills, Mijo Hills, that is also called Lusai Hills, Barail Hills, and this goes on in territory of Myanmar with the name Arakan Yuma, and highest peak of Arakan Yuma is Victoria. So this way. Again here, a very interesting mountain peak like that is our Saramati peak. Saramati is part of Nagaland, and Saramati is called the crown of Nagaland. Again, thereafter, this Gangetic plain come Himalaya के बाद, और Gangetic plain में हम देखते हैं कि some area are called Bhavar. तो Bhavar are the foothill area where coarse stone found and river disappear there. Thereafter, what happens? So after this Bhavar, again a narrow tract of land evolves that is called Tarai. Tarai के बाद हम देखते हैं कि this area is called flood plain. Some are old flood plain, some are new flood plain. Old flood plain are called Khadar, while new flood plain are called, or old flood plain are called Bangar, and new flood plain are called Khadar. So this way. And this part near river mouth, it is called delta. As far as our peninsular India is concerned, so peninsular India is the largest physiographic region of India that stretches around 60 lakh square kilometer. That is about half of the geographical area of India. This part of peninsular India is divided into three broad regions. The very first northern region is called Central Highland, southern part is called Deccan Plateau, and some are called this part is called northeastern region. About Central Highland में जब देखते हैं तो here we may recognize existence of Aravalli. Aravalli is the example of old fold mountain with highest peak Guru Shikhar. While here other fold or block mountain lies. First one is here Vindhyan Range. Vindhyan Range is a continuous series of mountain including Kaimur Range, Bharner Range and Vindhyan. Again, next one is Satpura that comprises more than 5 different mountain range like Mahadev, Maikal, Gavilgad, Balaghat, etc. Highest peak of Satpura range is our Dhupgarh, while highest peak of our Maikal range is Amarkantak. From where 3 rivers from 3 direction arises. So that makes Amarkantak quite interesting. Deccan Plateau is divided into several plateaus as well as mountains, low-hill mountain. Western part of Deccan Plateau is called Sahyadri, Western Ghat, and eastern part that including Erranalla, Nallaballa, etc. So that is the eastern part. Eastern part is quite detached. Highest peak of eastern Ghat lie in Odisha, that is Mahendragiri. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हमारे होते हैं नीलगिरी is the junction of Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat with highest peak, Dodda Betta. Again, below to Nilgiri, Annamalai range lie, and Annamalai is known for the coffee cultivation, cardamom cultivation, spices cultivation. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे होते हैं अन्नामलाई में. अन्नामलाई highest peak is Anaimudi, and which is the highest peak of entire South India. So this way, these are. As far as our coastal plain is concerned, the coastal plain are called Eastern coastal plain and Western coastal plain. Western coastal plain called by different name. Plain of Gujarat, Maharashtra plain is called Konkan coast, while Karnataka coast is called Kannada coast, while Kerala coast is called Malabar coast, Odisha coast is called Utkal coast, Andhra Pradesh called Northern Sarkar coast, Tamil Nadu coast is Coromandel coast, or here Carnatic coast. So these are the coastal arrangement. As far as our island is concerned, the island is group Andaman Nicobar is group of 562 island. 562 island दिखते हैं अंडमान निकोबार में. With capital, recently capital of Andaman Nicobar renamed as Sri Vijayapuram. और यहीं पर सेल्युलर जेल था जहां पर की काला पानी की सजा मिलती थी. Again, Lakshadweep is concerned. Lakshadweep with capital Kavaratti has become a very popular tourist destination since then. Our Prime Minister popularized this. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हमारे फिजियोग्राफिक रीजन है और ये पूरा इसका डिवीजन कुछ ऐसा बनता है. That is the physiographic region of India. As far as our desert area is concerned, तो desert area earlier a very thriving, बहुत अच्छा था वो. Indus Valley civilization once flourished here, and due to change in the course of river as well as change in climate, this area turned into the desert. अब यही पे one more thing we shall discuss, that is national park. Even आज तो class कम है, that is limited hour we have, but we shall discuss more points now. With this map, we shall discuss first the drainage system in India. The third topic था, I have listed some topic here. कुछ topic मैंने list किया था, that is physiographic region. In short, we have discussed. Now next one is physiographic region. Soil, natural vegetation, we shall discuss later. अब चलते हैं थोड़ा, अब लोग देखते हैं drainage system. तो in India, drainage system can be classified into two broad group on the basis of source of origin. Some are Himalayan river, some are Peninsular river. अब Himalayan region में जो हमें देखना है, that is our Indus river system. Indus is one of the longest river in the world, covering about 2900 km. That rises from Singhi Khamban. कौन सा लोकेशन है? Singhi Khamban. Alternately, that is line mouth from Bokharju glacier, and this enters into India and reaches up to Arabian Sea near the coast of Karachi. This drain into Arabian Sea. Indus में हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे हमारे ट्रिब्यूटरीज मिलते हैं. मेन ट्रिब्यूटरीज पंचनद, and Panchnad is the joint stream of 5 rivers: Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab and Chenab Jhelum. 5 rivers when join each other, that forms Panchanad. And principal river of Panchanad is Satluj. Satluj, this is Bias, this is Chenab, this is Ravi, this is Jhelum. This way. And you know, in the 1960s, it was Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan, and both countries decided to have judicious use of Indus and their tributaries. 3 river, जैसे Indus, Jhelum और Chenab, पाकिस्तान को दिए गए. Rest of the river like Satluj, Bias and Ravi given to India. But despite that fact, Pakistan is challenging India and their motive. बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है पाकिस्तान को, होती ही रहेगी, दिक्कत में चली रहा. अब चलते हैं हम लोग. What about rest of river? This is river Ganga. Ganga is again one of the longest river that crosses about 2,525 किलोमीटर, लगभग 2525 किलोमीटर लंबी हमारी गंगा है. और गंगा रिवर कॉल गंगा एट देवपड़िया, फ्रॉम देवपड़िया वेयर अलकनंदा रिवर ज्वाइंड बाय भागीरथी रिवर. जब अलकनंदा और भागीरथी ज्वाइन करती हैं देवप्रयाग में, सिंस देन द रिवर इज कॉल्ड गंगा रिवर. गंगा रिवर ज्वाइंड बाय सेवरल रिवर लाइक राम गंगा रिवर हियर. आफ्टर राम गंगा सेकेंड रिवर इज गोमती, थर्ड रिवर इज आवर घाघरा, fourth river is our Gandak, fifth river is our Budhi Gandak, thereafter Kosi, thereafter Mahananda. So these are the left bank tributary of Ganga. While right bank tributary is concerned, so here that is Yamuna river. Yamuna is joined by Chambal river. Again after Yamuna, that is Tamsa river joining Ganga river. Again Son river. After Son it is Punpun river. After Punpun more river join, but interestingly Ganga river bifurcate into 2 branches, that is Hooghly. So Hooghly is distributary of Ganga and joined by Damodar. So that is the overview of river Ganga. As far as our Brahmaputra is concerned, so Brahmaputra is again a longest river, rises, one of the longest river, rises from the Mansarovar. And Mansarovar, Brahmaputra in the Tibetan area called Sangpo, or Yarlung Jangpo in China. When Brahmaputra enters into part of India, it called Brahmaputra. Again in Bangladesh, Brahmaputra is called by the name Jamuna. Okay? Brahmaputra is known for formation of world largest river island, that is Majuli. Brahmaputra is joined by several tributaries like Dhansiri, Subansiri, Jia, Bhareli, Tista, etc. So this way. Again here, joint stream of Ganga and Jamuna, that is Brahmaputra, is called Padma in Bangladesh. तो यहाँ तक इनका है. As far as our peninsular India is concerned, तो यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे रिवर्स हैं. कुछ रिवर्स को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. सबसे पहला जो रिवर है that is महानदी, and Mahanadi is the principal river of the state Odisha and the Chhattisgarh. Mahanadi is joined by several rivers like Tel, Hasdo, Eve, etc. After Mahanadi, some small river like Vamsadhara, Rusi Kulya drains into Bay of Bengal, rises from Eastern Ghat. After this, Godavari. Godavari is one of the longest river in India, longest river of South India, rises from the Triambakeshwar, Nasik, enters into the part of Maharashtra, where Pranhita river joins it, Indravati joins it here. Again, Sabri river joins it. So this way, that drain into Bay of Bengal. Here, thereafter, which river? That is Krishna. Krishna river is the principal river of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Krishna river rises from Mahabaleshwar. Krishna is joined by several tributaries, that is quite related with the family of Krishna, Lord Krishna. Tungabhadra, Subhadra, Panchganga, Dudhganga, even Ghat Prabha, Mal Prabha, these are the tributaries of Krishna. As far as Kaveri is concerned, so Kaveri joined by Arkavati, even Lakshman Tirtha, etc. West flowing river, so our Narmada is the longest west flowing river with about 1300 km long course. Thereafter that is Tapi. Again, Mahi river is the river that crosses Tropic of Capricorn, that Tropic of Cancer twice. So this way, and we have a very well-known river, Luni River. So Luni is the river that is inland river that dry ups after reaching the plateau of run of Kutch. तो ये पूरा दिखता है. अब इसी में हमारे सॉइल है, तो सॉइल भी देखो 8 टाइप की सॉइल है हमारे पास. सबसे बड़ा है एलुवियल, देयरआफ्टर it is a red soil. Third one is our black soil. Black soil is also called redwood soil. Black soil is comparable with Chernozem soil. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो थोड़ा सॉइल के बारे में देखो. These are the list of national park. बड़े नेशनल पार्क को हमेशा देख के चलना है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क ऑफ आसाम, नोन फॉर वन हॉर्न राइनो. और इसी तरह से हमारा जो सुंदरबन है दैट इज फॉर रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर. इसी तरह हमारा गिर नेशनल पार्क दैट इज फॉर लॉयन. तो यहां से क्वेश्चन बनते हैं और इनको करिए एज फार एज सम एग्जांपल ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज कंसर्न. तो थोड़ा बहुत क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं और आप इसको बनाओ साथ में. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट इंडियाज लोकेशन. जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया, इंडिया इज लोकेटेड इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. आई थिंक यू नो वेरी वेल. वी आर द कंट्री lying northeastern hemisphere of the earth, that is India here. Again, the mainland of India extends between 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes. I discussed already. India accounts 5% of world geographical area. That is incorrect. India occupies about 2% of geographical area, world geographical area. So 1 and 2 will be the correct answer. I am hoping so. You all have did the same answer, that is 1 and 2 only A. You have selected the same. Again, next one, consider the following statement regarding maritime boundary. The territorial sea extends up to 12 nautical miles, exclusive economic overhead and high sea are under India's exclusive jurisdiction. So देखो, UNCLOS says that high sea shall be the international water and that must be free from the control of any country. So that is governed by the international best practices and the law. So that is the third point. 1 and 2 will be the correct. Now come to this question. Match the following maritime channel and strait with location. 8 degree channel. So we read 8 degree, 6 degree. Coco Strait. 8 degree channel separates India and Maldives. That is between Lakshadweep and Maldives. As far as 6 degree channel, so that is between Great Nicobar and Sumatra. Coco Strait between North Andaman and Coco. Sure. तो इस तरह से ये रहा. अब आते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, सेकेंड लास्ट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली. हाँ, तो 2 क्वेश्चन भी है सेल्फ सॉल्व. With match of Himalayan passes. You know, Himalayan passes are one of the most sensitive location with respect to our security. क्योंकि यहाँ passes से terrorists सब आ रहे थे पहले, so that government have decided to avoid this. But क्वेश्चन इससे बनते हैं. Lepu Lake Pass. You know, in Uttarakhand, several passes like Lepu Lake, Madma, Niti. So here in Uttarakhand, Lepu Lake Pass, Nathula, recently Nathula Pass reopened by China for trade and transport. And Nathula Pass offers us a way for our Kailash trek. Again, Bumla was the pass through which Chinese soldier dared to enter in the part of India during 1962. And Sikila, Himachal Pradesh. So this is the next question. Similarly, next question is consider the following statement about Great Himalaya. Great Himalaya is the highest and northernmost range of the entire Himalayan system. Mount Everest, located in Nepal, is the highest peak in the world and is part of Great Himalaya. Kanchenjunga, located in Sikkim, is the India's highest peak. So third option again is incorrect. Reason being K2, Caldwell Aston is the highest peak of India. And second last one is local name of Shivalik range. So you know Shivalik range, as I discussed, called by different name in different region. So here Jammu Hills and Jammu and Kashmir, Dudhwa Hills, Uttar Pradesh, Churia Muria, Nepal, Dafnai, Arunachal Pradesh. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the answer of this. ऐसे याद करना है आपको. Again हिमालय के रीजनल डिवीजन भी हुए, यू नो, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंटीसीडेंट रिवर। एंटीसीडेंट का मतलब हुआ कि जो हिमालय के पहले से है। सर सिडनी बोरार्ड और ब्रिटिश स्कॉलर क्लासिफाइड हिमालय इनटू 4 regions. The first one is Kashmir Himalaya, second one Punjab Himalaya, third one Nepal Himalaya, fourth one Assam Himalaya. तो इस तरह से बांटा उन्होंने, और उनके बीच का जो डिमार्केशन, पॉइंट ऑफ डिमार्केशन था, इट वाज द रिवर। तो यहाँ पे बहुत आसान है, कश्मीर हिमालय लाइज बिटवीन इंडस एंड सतलज, कुमायूं हिमालय, सतलज एंड काली, नेपाल हिमालय, काली एंड तीस्ता, एंड लास्ट वन आसाम हिमालय, तीस्ता एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र। ठीक है। और इसी तरह से जो हमारे पेनिनसुलर इंडिया है उसके पिक हैं, गुरु शिखर, यू नो, इज द हाईएस्ट पिक ऑफ अरावली, सद्भावना शिखर ऑफ विंध्याचल, रूपगढ़, सतपुरा, अमरकंटक, मैकर, ये हमने पढ़ा ही है। एंड लास्ट वन इज आवर नेशनल पार्क। तो दिस वे वी शैल प्रिपेयर द टॉपिक लाइक हियर कान्हा नेशनल पार्क। तो कान्हा नेशनल पार्क इज ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश, सुल्तानपुर बर्ड सेंचुरी हरियाणा, नागरहोल कर्नाटका एंड कुबटी हिमाचल प्रदेश। तो दिस वे यू शैल ट्राई टू कवर अप योर इंडियन ज्योग्राफी एंड डोंट मिस एनी टॉपिक, किसी टॉपिक को छोड़ना नहीं है। गो विथ द फैक्ट एज मच एज पॉसिबल विद इन दीज क्रूशियल डेज। तो अभी का जो क्रूशियल डेज आ रहा है, अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना है, बूस्ट करिए, एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल क्रैक द एग्जामिनेशन। यू हैव पोटेंशियल, यू हैव विल, सो ऑल द बेस्ट my dear viewers, my dear aspirant. I am hoping you will crack this examination with comfort. ठीक है, तो अच्छे से करिए सब लोग और बहुत अच्छा स्कोर करके आइए, एंड लेट मी नो योर स्कोर आफ्टर दिस एग्जामिनेशन। Ending this class, I am Kanaya Jha, again wishing you all the best.